Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beautiful flower. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a few sheets of colored paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. A pencil and a small circular item, like a coin, will also be very useful for tracing. Selecting paper in various shades will make your flower truly pop. Now, let's create the petals. Take a sheet of paper and fold it in half, then in half again, to create a smaller square. Using your pencil, draw a half-petal shape along one of the folded edges. Cut along your drawn line, and when you unfold the paper, you'll have multiple identical petals ready for assembly. Repeat this step to make about 8 to 12 petals. It's time to assemble your beautiful flower. Apply a tiny dot of glue to the bottom edge of each petal. Begin attaching them in a circular pattern, slightly overlapping each one, to form the first layer. For added dimension, create a second, slightly smaller layer of petals and glue it on top of the first, ensuring the petals are staggered. To give your flower a more natural and elegant look, gently curl the outer edges of each petal using a pencil or the edge of a ruler. Next, cut a small circle from a contrasting color of paper to create the flower's center. Glue this piece firmly in the middle. You can also add a green paper stem for a complete presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.